Hey everyone, Corey from CJ's here. Today we're going to be installing Ford Sasquatch extra large fender flares on our 22 Bronco. So even if you don't know a lot about vehicles, this is a very easy installation. Ford made it so that you could pop these on and off if you're ever off-roading and break one, or if you need a little bit more clearance. So I have the fender flare off here so you're able to actually see the clips a lot easier because it's a little bit hard getting the camera underneath. So all you're going to do is just take these clips and move them to the unlocking position, and then you'll be able to pull off the fender flare from the Bronco. And then removing the flare. So while I had the old flare off and the new flare off, I went ahead and I took some quick measurements. These flares are actually about 2 inches wider, so they should definitely give us a little bit more clearance with covering our 37s. One thing that is nice about Ford is they included all new factory clips here to bolt on in. Now onto the rears, the exact same process as the front. We're just going to put all the clips in the unlocking position and then pull the flare off. Again, same process for the front as installing. Put into the clips here. Put these clips in lock mode. And now we can repeat the process on the other side. So there you have it, pretty easy install on the Ford Bronco today. These fender flares are going to do a lot better job than the factory base model ones at covering up our 37s. It's time to drop a gear and disappear, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the video, and check out cjponyparts.com for all your Bronco part needs.